Portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. We're now here in Pleasant View at Stutzman's, of course, with Jason French. Jason, thanks for being with us today.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, today we're talking all about something that can brighten your home kind of in these more gloomy days. My favorite part of Stutzman's, the house plants.
Yeah, it's a great time for that, and it's an easy way. We've maybe, a little drab without all the holiday decorations up anymore.
Yes.
And the house plants are a great way to add some color and some life into the room. And brought a few different examples here. The white and green, nice Dieffenbachia, a little bit taller, fuller, kind of medium-sized plant. Maybe you have a spot you need a big floor plant, small tree type. This is a member of the rubber tree family, so nice bright light, but a big upright type thing. And then, some smaller ideas for color. Crotons are what these are, and there's a couple of different styles. Nice bright light, but bring in those reds and greens and all. And a couple other ones. This one I like. It's called a whale tail sansevieria. It's in that snake plant family, so very, very low maintenance, easy to care for, but kind of a different shaped leaf on that one. And then the last type, maybe you need a basket hanging or something. This down here is the tiger fern, and it's related to the Boston fern, but has that neat coloring to the leaf and all on it.
Yeah, exactly. All of these have just a little bit of different color, like you mentioned. And I mean, the thing about it is you come home, you think it's winter time, how am I going to keep these alive? As long as they've got the sunlight they need or maybe don't need as much, they can thrive.
Yeah, and these are all plants that really enjoy being inside. So, we're glad to help whether it's a more brighter area or a more shady area. Different plants, different places, but yeah, it's pretty easy to find something that'll thrive in each spot.
Yeah, that's perfect. People can come in and ask for help specifically based off of where they're going to place the plant. And we are expecting a big shipment of houseplants anytime now as well.
Yeah, anytime that should be showing up. That's kind of one of our things for this time of year, to give everybody a chance to have a little green and growing in the home.
Yeah, definitely. And like I said, you're always here to help. If people have any questions, how can they find more information?
Yeah, any sort of questions, drop me an email, and my email is the word questions@stutzmans.com.
Great, Jason. I think I'm taking this one home, so I'm going to have to ask you a few questions about exactly where to put it. But thank you so much for being with me today.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.